Hello, welcome to online lecture of advanced surveying. On this lecture, we are learn notation used in simple circular curve. Following notations are used in simple circular curve. For better understanding, please refer the figure. The straight line AB and BC, which are connected by the curves, are called the tangents or straight to the curves. The point B at which the two tangents lines AB and BC intersect is known as the point of intersection or the vertex. If the curves deflect to the right of the direction of progress of survey, it is called as right hand curve. If to the left, it is called as a left hand curve. The tangent line AB is called the first tangent or rear tangent, also called the back tangent. The tangent line BC is called as second tangent or forward tangent. The point T1 and T2 at which the curve touches the straights are called tangent point. The beginning of the curve T1 is called as the point of curve or tangent curve. The end of the curve T2 is known as the point of tangency or curve tangent. The angle between the tangent line AB and BC is called the angle of intersection. The angle B'BC, that is the angle by which the forward tangent deflects from the rear tangent, is known as the deflection angle phi of the curve. The distance from the point of intersection to the tangent point is called the tangent distance or tangent length, that is BT1 and BT2. The line T1, T2 joining the points T1 and T2 is known as the long chord L. The angle T1OT2 subtended at the center of curve by the arc T1FT2 is known as the central angle and is equal to the deflection angle. The intercept EF on the line OB between the apex F of the curve and the midpoint E of the long chord is called the vertex of the curve. The arc T1FT2 is called the length of the curve. The midpoint F of the arc T1FT2 is known as the apex or summit of the curve and lies on the bisector of the angle of the intersection. The distance BF from the point of the intersection to the apex of the curve is called the apex distance of external distance. Thank you very much.